Hi guys and gals, welcome back to the channel. I realised when I did my little walk around video of the Manta there were a couple of bits I'd missed, but let's start off with the engine running. Here we go. Ticking over lovely. It's a little bit lumpy, but bearing in mind it's not been ran for God knows how long. So I just thought I'd do a second little walk around video. The exhaust sounds nice. Got a nice little noise to it. See, this is one of the things I always love about Mantas, the frameless windows. I just want to show you the old Blaupunkt stereo. Now it don't currently work, I think it's disconnected somewhere, but look at the old Blaupunkt stereo. How retro cool is that? And then I'm looking at the old cassette storage and it's actually got a load of old cassettes in. We've got rock anthems, got a bit of Simply Red, as you do. What else we got in here? I know the Eagles is in here. Oh, that's the Best of Sade. There we go, Best of Sade. And the last one is the Eagles. Yeah, there we go, the Eagles. So they came free with the car because they were left in. The only thing that's not working on the dashboard is the rev counter. It's just staying stuck where it is. A lot of the electric things are not working, like the lights and stuff are not wired up. The fan, I mean, most of the electrics are not working because they just, I think they're all disconnected. So, but the voltmeter's working, oil pressure, fuel gauge. It has actually got a fair bit of fuel in it, quarter of a tank, but it took a little bit of starting. If you see the cold start video, but it's going up to temperature nicely. We're like halfway up the temperature gauge, so it's running quite nicely. I'm just going to actually see what it does if I push the choke all the way in. Oh, there we go, the choke is all the way in, so it's ticking over nicely. I'm presuming the rev counter's not working. It might have moved now from, because I just wiggled the wires under the bonnet, but I don't think it's working. It weren't working before anyway, unless it's just suddenly started working. That's the other indicator. Oh yeah, the heater control has snapped, but that's how it came. That's the slider, the one nearest us that operates the thing that does the temperature, that one. And there's just some random nuts and bolts and a random little knife for some reason. Random little bits and bobs as you sometimes get in a project car when you buy one. No idea what that is. That's obviously a thing from the seat belt. So yeah, it's ticking over quite nice. It's getting up to temperature nicely. I thought I'd just jump in the back seat as well. So comfy, these seats. Really nice back here. Got the sunroof. These have a steel sliding sunroof for anybody who's never seen one before. You pull that lever down and the roof slides back. I'm not going to do it because the outer skin of the sunroof has actually rubbed on the under edge of where it slides under, and it's actually scratched the paint. Oh look, we've got a spider. Hello spider, what are you doing there? But yeah, one thing I like about these as well is the opening rear quarter windows. It's like, even obviously they don't have aircon or anything like that on these, but in the summer they're to just pop open the side windows, get a nice flow of air through. So on them hot sunny days, when it does eventually see the road again, they are a bit stiff, mind. Ooh, very stiff. There we go. I would show you in the boot, but I'm parked a little bit close to my house to be able to open the boot, so I can't do that unfortunately, but I suppose I can pop one of the... Oh, it's a solid one-piece rear seat on this. I've only just realised that. It's not a 60/40. So this is going to be difficult to do one-handed, so yeah, I'll not bother. You can get an idea what the boot's like. It's got the little cigarette things in the back, little ashtrays, little handheld things. You can see one at Spiderweb's there that spider has made. Little hand loop, both sides. I say it's a completely original car, original steering wheel and everything, original interior. It's got the original wheels. The only thing I do think I might do to it, possibly, is fit some lowering springs. Oh hello, the spider's on the move. Hello Spider, what are you doing in my car? Oh, drop down onto the floor now. One thing I might do is fit some lowering springs and potentially some different wheels. I'll see. I mean, it's a nice original car. It would be a shame to go modifying it too much. Now this door's open, I can show you there is a little bit of rust along the bottom of this door. You can see there is a little bit of rust along the bottom edge. So I'll have to see what happens with this door. The door might need replacing, but we'll see. I don't want to start having to do loads of paintwork on it because the paintwork is nice. So if I can just repair it, same as like that in that bottom corner, if I can repair it, then I will do. But we'll see. I might end up finding that it's too much work and I might end up selling it to somebody as a project and let somebody else do it. I am in two minds at the moment what to do with the Vectra, which is hiding under the cover there, whether to keep that or sell it as a project as well. Let's see if that rev counter is working. No, I didn't think it were. But yeah, it's running nice now. I think the temperature gauge is probably not working right because that's now right up to the red. And it's definitely not up to the red. It's definitely not that hot yet. It's not been running that long, so anyway, sounds absolutely sweet. Lovely. Let's turn it off. Oh, the rev counter did move a little bit. It's just obviously not picking up the revs properly. So there you go. Manta walk around video number 2 complete. So what do you think I should do, guys? Do I get the work done? Do I get it on the road? Do I love it and enjoy it? Or do I sell it on to somebody else who can possibly get the work done quicker and maybe put a bit more money into it than I'm willing to? What do you reckon? I can't decide because it is a lovely car and I've always wanted a Manta. Just shut that door because it's a bit cold. I just can't decide what to do. Can't decide. Anyway guys, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned to the channel. Please like, browse, subscribe, and ignore the bit of mould on the steering wheel. I think I might clean that off before I'm done. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching as always, and I'll catch you in the next one. Laters.